Quick overview: these heavy-duty binding posts were designed with the audiophile in mind. Quality: 24 knots. Gold plating assures the highest possible signal transfer and resists harsh environmental corrosion. The binding posts can be used with banana plugs or will accept wire up to 8 gauge. Product highlights: 24 knots. Gold plating for best signal transfer and corrosion resistance. 1/2 rear bolt mounts in speaker cabinets from 3/8 to 1 thick large diameter knurled heads enable positive finger tight connections. Knurled shaft prevents post-rotation. Product manuals, spec sheets, downloads. Dayton Audio BPA-38G mechanical drawing. Add this sharing button. Share to Facebook. Facebook share to Twitter. Twitter share to more. Add this product description. These heavy-duty binding posts were designed with the audiophile in mind. Quality: 24 knots. Gold plating assures the highest possible signal transfer and resists harsh environmental corrosion. The binding posts can be used with banana plugs or will accept wire up to 8 gauge. The large diameter knurled head allows for positive finger tight connections. Extra long rear bolt, 1-1/2, for mounting in speaker cabinets with walls up to 1 thick. To install, simply drill a 1/4 hole and gently tap the binding post in place. The knurled shaft will keep the post from turning and creates an airtight fit. Overall length is 2-1/4. Sold in color-coded pairs with solder tabs. Product details: model number BPA-38G, list price $11.49, color gold, unit of measure pair UPC 844,632,018,459, warranty parts 5 years, warranty labor 5 years, product shipping weight lbs 0.16, product weight, product height, product width, product length 2-1/4. Top reviews from the United States: solid and stylish. Pretty solid connector. For those wondering about the size wire that can be accepted, the picture shows a 10-gauge wire taken from Rockford Fosgate's RFK10 amplifier wiring kit. I am sure it can handle 8-gauge wire if put to the test. The tiny black stopper piece was also an addition from the RFK10 kit to be used as a bushing if I feel like it.